Good morning everyone. Standard 6 subject English grammar. Today we are going to start new chapter in English grammar book. Open your English grammar book, page number 50. Okay. Chapter number 33 families of words. जैसे हमारी फैमिलीज होती है ना, वैसे वर्ड की भी फैमिलीज होती है. तो वर्ड में वर्ब भी आते हैं, एडजेक्टिव आते हैं, नाउन होते हैं और एडवर्ब भी होते हैं. ये सब एक वर्ड से बनता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे दिया गया है द ओबे तो वर्ब, ओबेडियंट एडजेक्टिव, ओबेडियंस नाउन, ओबेडियंटली तो वो एडवर्ब हो जाता है. अ वर्ड इन इंग्लिश कैन बी चेंज्ड फ्रॉम द पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच to another by making proper changes in it. Different words in different parts of speech are thus closely related to one another. तो यहाँ पे एक ही वर्ड किसी और से अलग अलग पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच से रिलेटेड होते हैं. वर्ब है, एडजेक्टिव है, नाउन है, एडवर्ब है. तो ऐसे एक वर्ड को लेके हमें बाकी की जो ब्लैंक्स है वो फिलअप करनी है. तो एक्सरसाइज देखेंगे हम. That boy is careful, so he always works carefully. He is a very cruel boy. There is no limit to his cruelty. उसकी क्रूरता की कोई लिमिट नहीं है. He was a famous king. वो फेमस किंग है. His blank has spread far and wide fame. There was little blood in his body. So when he was wounded, he did not blank much, bloody much. India is our nation and the tricolor is our national flag. Ravan was a very strong demon, Rakshas. He was known for his great strength. Next. The bridge is very long, but I don't know its length. He is a merry man and goes about singing merrily. She is a faithful maid servant. Few can walk as faith as she. He is a courageous man. He will encourage all those who show courageously in their work. Next, these are not ripe mangoes. They will ripely in a day or two. एक और दो दिन में वो पक जाती है. He is a good friend. He is friendly with everyone. It is easy to friendship him. It has a punishable act, so the teacher punished him, but he didn't mind the punishment. The rule is not yet simple. We must simple it further. But it simply is not easy. The road is not wide enough. You should be widened it by 2 meters at least. Then it will be of sufficient to wide. Last one. He cannot supervise the word properly. The company will suffer losses of the supervision is not proper. Therefore, the company should appoint a new supervisor in his place. ओके, तो ये था हमारा चैप्टर. आपके एक वर्ड के अलग अलग वर्ड्स बनते हैं, एडजेक्टिव, नाउन, एडवर्ब में कन्वर्ट करके आपको ये ब्लैंक्स को फिलअप करनी है. तो राइट दिस एक्सरसाइज इन योर इंग्लिश ग्रामर बुक only. Okay, bye.